Today is 1st of January.
So, Happy New Year!
I wish you, your family and your bear plenty of health and happiness.
And if you don't have the bear, I wish you one. And now let's talk about next 15 things that I like about my Kodiaq. The off-road mode intervenes at speeds below 30 km per hour. It should be used on the non-paved roads, but it works fine also on the paved ones. In this mode, the assistants work differently. But the best part of the off-road mode is the hill descent control that keeps the speed when driving downhill without touching any pedal. Winter is here together with the snow. And when the snow is your obstacle, the snow mode becomes your best buddy. This is the most stable car on the snow that I have driven in my life.
Без доброто живее.
On the way home from Kranjska gora, I drove mostly with the help of the ACC. I must say that compared to my previous car, the Bear has an excellent consumption. Although not positioned well, two umbrellas are still great to have for unpredictable weather those days. If the Bear engine is still warm, you can use the rest function that uses the engine's warmth to heat your car for the next 30 minutes, even when your car is locked. There is plenty of room for your legs. This is very innovative cup holder. This is my first car with the roof rails. Excellent! If the front passenger seat is not electric one, it contains a hidden compartment. The second seat row can be moved forward or backward for another 18 centimeters. The seat backrest can be adjusted. The middle rear seat can be folded. And that's great for transporting your skis. Of course, the middle rear seat can also be used as an armrest. I can't remember when I last saw the whole bonnet from the driver's seat. The Bear has great front visibility. Even the cheapest edition has 9 airbags. Yes, you heard right, 9 of them. For the first time I can lock left and right side separately. I had a bad feeling regarding the automatic high beam switching, but the lights actually work perfectly. Watch now, the car will be approaching and the Bear will still switch the high beam on, but only for a second. That's all for part 2, but don't worry, more is coming. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.